A man takes twice as much time to row upstream as downstream for the same distance. Find the ratio of boat speed to current speed. Okay. So time taken to row downstream and upstream. Downstream, if you take 1 hour, upstream is twice. So this will be 2 hours. What does it mean? Speed ratios are inverse of time ratio. That is, if there is more time, less is the speed. Okay, so this is more, so speed will be less. So speed upstream. So speed will be less. This is less, speed will be more. So the ratios of time and speed are inverse to each other. Okay, speed is inversely proportional to time. So wherever time increases, speed decreases. If time increases, speed decreases. Time decreases, speed increases. Okay, that is the concept. So if time is 1:2, speed is 2:1. Now, find the ratio of boat speed to current speed. What is the boat speed formula? U is equal to half into SD, that is speed downstream plus speed upstream, divided by V. V is the rate of the stream or current speed. What is the formula for this? Half into SD minus SU. Okay. So half of gets cancelled. We need not worry about that. What is SD? 2. SU is 1. So 2 plus 1 divided by 2 minus 1, which is 3 is to 1. 3 divided by 1 or 3 is to 1. That is the answer. Option C is the right answer. A boat takes 3 times more time to travel upstream than downstream. 3 times here. So time is time up. Time upstream is 3, downstream is 1. So what is the speed here? Speed downstream will be 3, upstream will be 1. That's it. Speed is inversely proportional to time. Okay. So find the ratio of downstream to upstream. That's it. 3:1. That is the answer. Option C is the answer. A boat covers a certain distance downstream in 2 hours and upstream in 6 hours. So the distance is same. We need not worry about it. So we can just take the time as 2 hours and 6 hours. So if we observe time downstream and time upstream. Downstream is how much? 2 hours. Upstream is 6 hours. What does it mean? If we can simplify this, 1:3 is the time ratio. So what will happen to speed ratio? Speed downstream, speed upstream. SD and SU. This will be inverse. 3:1. That's it. So option C, 3:1 is the right answer. A boatman rows upstream at 4 km per hour and downstream at 12 km per hour. Directly, the speed downstream and speed upstream is given. Downstream is 12 kilometers per hour. Upstream is 4 km per hour. So can we simplify this ratio? Yes. 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4. So 3:1 is the ratio for speed downstream and speed upstream. But that is not the question. What is the ratio of speed in still water to speed in current? Speed in still water is U divided by what is speed in current is V. How do we calculate U? Half into speed downstream plus speed upstream divided by V means half into SD minus SU. So this half of gets cancelled. SD plus SU, 3 plus 1, 4 divided by 3 minus 1, 2, or can we say 2 2s are 2 1s are. So 2:1 is the right answer for this. A man takes half the time in rowing downstream than upstream. So time they are telling. So time is half, or can we say if it takes 2 hours for upstream, half of the time, that is 1 hour, he will take for downstream. Since the ratios are inverse, SD will become 2, SU will become 1. Ratio of boat speed to stream speed, we have already done it. It will be 3:1. I hope the videos are useful. Please like, share, and subscribe these videos, and subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you so much.